Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Asia preview and the North American wrap from PrivateerFX. It's a pretty quiet day here during our session. The only real news event, the House tax bill vote was today. It passed easily. Really doesn't mean anything. It was expected to pass. It now goes to the Senate, and we'll see what happens from there. But I think this is going to drag on for a bit longer. They're trying to get it to the Senate. They were trying to get it done this week. Now with Thanksgiving next week in the U.S., we don't expect anything really new. So we are thinking that this could drag on through December even. And a couple skeptics out there don't think anything's going to really get done in its current form. So let's jump right to the reversal. The reversal days. There were a couple of interesting patterns. Here's dollar MEX, not a reversal, but big down bar. We did close just below an old daily low. There were some stops at once we broke this 1910 level. So this chart's starting to look interesting, and on the weekly, there's potential. There's a reversal week forming with potential under. If we close under 1900, we get it out. So reversal week lower. It was interesting because when I sat down this morning, MEX yen was the strongest on the board. They were buying MEX, selling yen, and so dollar MEX is interesting, and some of the other dollar EM pairs came off. Dollar Turkey, dollar Rand. Mainly on equity strength. If we take a look at this NASDAQ chart, made a new all-time high today. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of selling from this old high. Took out and pretty much matched the high closing day, all-time high close day today. Absolutely no idea why, but stocks, they love to buy this dip, and we made a low of 62.33, and then straight up today. They were bid all day. There seemed to be good demand. Take a look at Aussie. This daily chart's interesting after a fairly significant, nice trend lower from the 81 handle all the way down here to 75 handle. We did have a doji day. You see we had one over here, which then ended up failing. So we're watching this closely. We're still bearish Aussie. We're looking to sell rallies, but this could be time for a bit of a pause. Euro Swiss had an outside reversal day, bullish engulfing day higher. For the third day in a row, they bought dollar Swiss and Euro Swiss for the WMR fix. Coincidentally, for the past 3 days, the stocks have been on their highs of the session at the exact same time for the WMR. And we think it could be someone like the Swiss National Bank that's buying unlimited FANG stocks, U.S. equities. They need dollars. They're selling Swiss francs. So it is interesting. Euro Swiss is now, after this outside reversal lower day, we are approaching this 117.12 level was the high. So this could be interesting. We could get another leg up, and there's several analysts calling for the 120 by year end. I don't see why it can't go there. Euro yen chart we've talked about, sideways range. Do not touch it. Just don't touch it until it breaks out on either side of this range. We had the reversal lower day yesterday. Doji could go anywhere at this point. So we're staying out of this one. Let's take a look at some shorter term break type trades that we've spoken about this for a long time. Aussie yen, this is massive. There's an uptrend line, multi-month uptrend line as well. Comes around this 85.60 area. This is a break trade, and there are several technicians calling for much lower levels in Aussie yen. So watch that one. Euro didn't do much today. Kiwi dollar, clear this out, 68.18. We break this area, we close below it. We're going to see significantly lower levels for the next into year end, I would think. Dollar yen didn't do much today, really. Let's take a look at the hourly. Selling off here in early Asia a little bit. Went down to 83. We had a low of 74 earlier, so we do have a couple hourly lows here. So I think if we get a clean break of 70, there's no reason we can't go back and test this week's low that was made on Wednesday. As far as economic data, the only thing really of importance is the Canadian CPI during on the New York Open, and everything else looks pretty quiet. And the start of Asia here, you have equities kind of staying somewhat bid. Dollar yen had a little sell-off down to 112.83. It closed at 113, just above 113, and that it was just a typical sell-off on, it looks like, on the Tokyo Open. But stocks are hanging in there. I suspect that they're going to close higher than these levels. We'll get a new high weekly close is what we're expecting. Potential for outside reversal higher weeks as well in S&Ps and NASDAQ. So definitely pay attention to how the equities do. And I think that pretty much sums it up for the day. Overall, a very quiet day. Dollar yen hung around in a 10 pip range for hours today, and just not a whole lot going on. And finally got a little bit of a rally late in New York session with the equity strength. All right, good luck trading today, and look out for us on Twitter and on the European Open. All the best.